Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by deciding that understanding concepts matters more than memorizing formulas. Treat each topic as a small story about how nature behaves. Learn definitions and units first, then connect symbols to physical meaning. Spend 1 hour each day in focused study sessions without distractions, and pair reading with a simple experiment or thought experiment. Check your intuition frequently. If a conclusion feels wrong, map it to a drawing or a quick calculation to reveal hidden assumptions and errors. Practice by alternating problem types. Do conceptual questions, algebraic derivations, and numerical calculations in the same study block. Aim for 10 varied problems per topic to expose different angles, and always write full solutions, not just answers. After solving, teach the idea aloud for 5 minutes using the Feynman method. Record gaps and redo those problems. Structure practice as 3 focused sessions per week, and schedule a cumulative review every 6 weeks to lock concepts. Pick 1 primary textbook, 1 problem book, and 1 lecture series so your explanations align and you avoid confusion. Organize study days into 3-hour blocks using a 5 to 25 rhythm. 5 minutes review, 25 minutes focused work, 5 minutes active recall, then a short break, repeating twice per block. Follow a 6-week cycle, 2 weeks of concept building, 2 weeks of intensive problem practice, and 2 weeks of review, plus a timed mock exam to measure improvement and adjust the plan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.